हाइपोथेटिकली अगर सोचा जाए, आज अगर मुझे एक आइडिया है, मेरे पास एक आइडिया है और मैं सोचता हूँ कि इस आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए, मैं एक आइडिया का प्लान बना के एक फंडिंग के लिए वीसी के पास जाता हूँ या किसी के पास जाता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ ये मेरा आइडिया है, ये विजन है, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, बट ये है, ये इससे ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकती है। अब क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए मुझे इसको स्केल करने के लिए, इसको एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकली आगे बढ़ाने के लिए?
वही जो सबसे पहले स्टेप्स ये लेने चाहिए कि आइडिया के क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स हैं जो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं, और जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, तो इट शुड नॉट इवन अकर टू यू कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. दैट शुड बी अ गिवन कि द सिस्टम इज देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. कि अकाउंटिंग, रजिस्टरिंग ऑफ कंपनीज, ये सब तो छोटी चीजें हैं, वो तो प्रोसीजरल वर्क है. बिगर विजन है कि उस आइडिया का किससे बेनिफिट, आपका कस्टमर कौन है, किसको बेनिफिट पहुंचेगा, एंड आर दे विलिंग टू पे यू फॉर इट, एंड हाउ बिग इज द मार्केट, and what kind of people will you need to make this idea successful? Do you need engineers? Do you need doctors? Do you need scientists? Do you need artists? Then you, from the big vision, you break it down into smaller. And everybody has to play their role like a well greased orchestra. And then you have an outcome. So you have a vision. And the vision is not financial, 47 trillion. The vision is everybody should have a GDP of $5,000 or $10,000 a year. That should be the goal. That should be the goal of every politician, every bureaucrat. Ki we have to increase the per capita GDP to that number. Otherwise, we're just lying to ourselves. हाँ, कोई बोल रहा है हमारी, tell the ordinary kid, person on the road who cannot make ends meet and feed his own children कि हमारी $47 trillion GDP economy बन रही है. What does it mean to that person? He cannot feed his own kids. We have failed them because we've got the wrong vision or wrong way of counting, or basically we're lying. That's why I said lying has to be made illegal.
Okay. What is an advice that you would give to the young entrepreneurs today in India wanting to make it big, जो कुछ बनना चाहते हैं, कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं, एक चेंज लाना चाहते हैं, और वो अगर आपके सामने आज बैठे हैं, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, आप क्या एडवाइस देंगे ताकि वो एक मार्क बना पाए नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली?
एक तो first whatever idea it is, let it ruminate in your head. Slowly the answers will come. Don't say, I have an idea, I have to start tomorrow. No, don't worry about that. I've successful entrepreneurs, the idea has been ruminating, and many of them are accidental entrepreneurs. Bill Gates, accidental entrepreneur. The guys who started Google, accidental entrepreneurs. Bill Gates just created an operating system or sold one to IBM. IBM made the standard. And he sold that to all of IBM's competitors and made a lot of money. And people respected intellectual property. They didn't copy this thing. They said, no, $100 per, this thing will pay you $100 per. Respect for intellectual property. And our entire ecosystem we have to move away from the so-called jugaad. Jugaad is not critical thinking. You can't support jugaad on the one hand and on the other hand go and say that you're not making anything good. You can't have it both ways. You have to support original thought, original ideas, and it takes a long time to nurture. Like one of the entrepreneurs that I did a podcast with, it took him 7 years. He says 7 years he was just thinking of this idea. He wrote an 80-page paper on every different way in which this idea would succeed or why it would not succeed, why the time was right. Ideas, occur when the timing is right for them.
Okay. One is let the idea ruminate in your brain.
One is think of ideas, let it ruminate in your brain, and think of solving some critical problems.
What do you think is a major critical problem in India that you see right off the bat?
Unemployment.
हाँ, तो उसको कैसे, वो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है ही, उसको कैसे सॉल्व करना चाहिए या किस डायरेक्शन में देखना चाहिए हमें? क्योंकि आपने बोला लेट फॉरेन कंपनीज कम इन, आने दो सबको, कहीं ना कहीं
Change the ownership rules.
आ रहे हैं, फॉरेन कंपनीज आ रहे हैं,
But they're very slow. The hands are hampered. Everybody is still thinking zero-sum game. People don't collaborate enough. There are monopolies being created. It's all being done in a very haphazard, trader, dhanda mentality way. Hey, this is not the way out.
Okay. Okay. So one is idea, ruminating the idea,
Second,
solving a critical problem.
solving a critical problem. Two is find the right people who can, and for ideas to succeed, and especially in the age of AI, you don't need armies of programmers and people, 60 people, 70 people, 100 people, none of that. You need just 2, 3, 4, that's it. But you've got to solve the right problem
Okay.
and go about it and make use of social media for marketing. Given, easy, right? Use technology heavily. Use AI. Think of scale. Don't try to do it by just one. Like somebody I met a few years back said, I want to make a hospital. I said, he's trying to get some financing to make. It's not interesting to me. What are you doing? One hospital? India needs 10,000 hospitals. Come up with a plan to do 1,000 hospitals. Now you're making a dent. And there is financing available for thinking big. We are doing things serially. India is not going to get there by serial growth. India will get there by doing parallel growth. We are doing serial growth and claiming, oh my God, we're building one road here, one road there. That's not. Thinking is, and be humble. Be willing to accept that your idea is not good enough, timing is not right. Those come with, just trying to do something.